Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize completely the following expression. Now I see four terms. So when I see four terms, right, this is what I would do. I'm going to factorize by grouping, meaning I'm going to group these two as one group, these two as the other group. So let's see. And I'm going to take out common factors of each group. So for the blue color group, the common factor will be 3y, and I'm left with x minus 2a. For the green color group, I'm going to take out negative 4, and I'm left with x minus 2a as well, negative 2ay, because negative 4 times negative 2a must give me back my positive 8a. Negative times negative gives me positive. Okay? Next, then I will see that, x minus 2a, this bracket is actually common between the two groups. I'm going to take out as a common factor, and I'm left with 3y and negative 4. With that, we've come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.